What's up? Welcome to my channel Plan My Fam Trip. This is all about family vacations. In this video, I'm going to show you some photo poses which can make it truly Insta-worthy and can get you loads of likes and amazing comments. Hope you will enjoy it. If you feel that we can add some more here, please leave your suggestions in the comment section and I will try to recreate them in my next video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates on my all new videos. Love you all.